All right, so for today's class, we're looking at multiplying and dividing scientific notation. All right, we've already looked at the rules of multiplying and dividing polynomials and just indexes. All right, we already know that that's at the same base. When we're multiplying, we add the powers. When we're dividing, we subtract the powers or the index. All right, we're going to look at two examples. So a success criteria state that multiplying, so that's changing numbers in scientific notation. That's what you'll be able to do, but also properly changing the power in scientific notation. I'm going to pull up my whiteboard right now, and we're going to work out two problems. All right, so the first one is, what is 2 times 10 to the third times 4 times 10 to the fourth? All right, so with this type of question, I'm going to go ahead and I could multiply 2 and 4, which is 8, right? And then I'm going to do, that's going to multiply by whatever 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth is. So 10 to the fourth times 10 to the third times 10 to the fourth is 10 to the seventh. Because remember, with the powers, we add the index. So it would be 3 plus 4. So your answer would be 10 to the 7. And then that would be my final answer for this type of problem. Okay, so I multiplied the first part, the coefficient, 2 and 4, technically the coefficient. And then I multiplied 10 to the third and 10 to the fourth. We got to realize that in order for me to add the index or the indices, the 3 and the 4, the base has to be the same. So the base has to be 10. All right. That's how we multiply scientific notation. Now let's look at a question where we're dividing scientific notation. So I look at my first part, which is 18 and 6. So I do 18 divided by 6, right, which is 3. And then I look at my second part, which says 10 to the 7 divided by 10 to the third. So when we're dividing, we subtract the powers or the index, especially when the base is the same, or only when the bases are the same. So this is 10 to the 10. So then I write back 10 to the 10th power. And that's how I divide scientific notations. The first one was multiplying scientific notations.